our Miss Grade 7, Shalani Bell Kumbaga Sakman.
Mr. Grade 7 2024 is the son of Mr. Italiano Rivera Islam and the former Miss Leia May Pablos Maniano of First Campaign, Tarlac. This student, the Mrs. Dorita Itacanay, was born on February 11, 2011. And at 13, he has the dream of becoming a policeman. Aside from playing basketball, this boy enjoys playing Call of Duty. Friends, our Mr. Grade 7